Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to stream the Mayweather and Logan Paul fight on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Same method applies on a smart TV. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download the Showtime app. So if you are on a Fire TV stick, you can speech it with the speech button. If you're on your smart TV, just make your way to the App Store. Fire TV stick all the way over on the top menu. Apps is going to pull up. We're going to go ahead and click that. And right here, number one, they're already ready for it. Showtime is showing up right here. They try to make it as convenient as possible to watch the fight. On your smart TV, find the App Store once again and get the Showtime app, which is going to be free. You're going to go ahead and click on Showtime app. It's going to ask you to download it right over here. We're going to get it. If you need to put your password in, put your password in. Mine doesn't require it. It's queued. I'm downloading the Showtime app right here. It's installing right now. Once it's installed, we're going to go ahead and open it right there. Just click on that. That's going to fire this up. And here we go here. Showtime is firing up. Already subscribed, sign in. And right here, right off the bat, they're going to show it right here. Right here, it says Floyd Money Mayweather to face Logan Paul Sunday, June 6th, live on pay-per-view. Purchased, you sign in. Order now, $49.99. Get event info right here. Let's go ahead and show you another way. If you want to get more info, go to more info right here. It's saying 3 hours, 33 minutes, and 35 seconds right here. You can watch the inside, part 1, watch now. And right down here, actually, you can see the fight card. So you can see who's on the fight card before you do want to purchase it right here. Of course, that is the main event, 8-round special expedition. We also have Bado Jack, and these guys here, some other boxers, Chad, Brian, 4-round, and fight card subject to change. So those are going to be the scrappers that are scrapping before the main event. It doesn't say exactly. It says 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, but that's not going to be the time for this fight, I don't believe. I think that's going to start the scrappies, and it looks like right now you have at least 3 scrappies before the main event, so just time your fight and barbecue accordingly. Order it, click on this. You might have to put in your Amazon password or smart TV password for fees. Just make sure you are aware of that before you do hit it. It will be $49.99. And that is how you can stream it at home in your own convenience. Invite people over, start the barbecue. Let's get it going. You guys have an awesome fight. Enjoy it. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe on your way out. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.